Have you ever pondered the need for a simpler, more efficient way to connect devices with TTL-level serial interfaces to USB? The FTDI TTL 232R 3V3 WE cable is the answer. It's a USB to UART cable with +3 3V TTL level UART signals. The secret is the FTDI's FT232RQ USB to serial UART interface IC, handling all the USB signaling and protocols. One end houses a tiny circuit board encapsulated into the USB connector, ensuring durability. The other end features unterminated bare and tinned wires for versatility. It's USB powered and compatible with USB 2.0 full speed, eliminating the need for extra power sources. The cable's modest length of 6 feet or 1.8 meters lends itself to convenient use without sacrificing reach. This cable is more than just its physical attributes. It's compatible with various host controllers, making it versatile. Its 5mm diameter, 2 cores and 24 AWG design provide robustness and flexibility. The FTDI TTL 232R 3V3 WE cable stands out for its high data transfer rates, accommodating anything from 300 baud to 3M baud at TTL levels. Impressively, it consumes much USB bandwidth, ensuring your devices aren't deprived of bandwidth. It's secure and compliant, supporting the FT232R FTDI chip ID feature for enhanced, and it adheres to FCC and CE standards. It withstands temperatures from -40 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius. This cable is not only efficient and powerful, but also secure and compliant. In summary, the FTDI TTL 232R 3V3 WE cable is a versatile, robust and efficient solution for connecting devices with TTL-level serial interfaces to USB. This cable embodies smart design that ensures optimal data transfer speed. It consumes less bandwidth, enhancing your work efficiency. Its impressive security aspects add a layer of trust and reassurance, ideal for a variety of applications such as communications, networking, industrial environments, security, and automotive sectors. This cable is designed to meet your needs.